So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made a little over $50,000 in 1 year on TikTok as a small TikTok creator. As you can see right here, guys, I have a little over 359,000 followers on TikTok. But more importantly, guys, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start making money on TikTok. How this is probably one of the best side hustles for you to start in 2021, going into 2022. And more importantly, guys, I'm going to share with you how you can start making money on TikTok if you have 10,000 followers, if you have 0 followers, how to grow on TikTok, and more importantly, share with you guys all the lessons that I wish I learned earlier about making money on TikTok. If you want to start making money on TikTok, well, I want to first tell you this, that if you have a passion about creating content, if you like certain things, if you like creating content around business, if you want to be out there and be a solo entrepreneur on TikTok, you can totally do it. There are so many different ways to make money on TikTok. I've done it, and I'm going to share with you guys exactly how you can do it as well. I thought it was pretty difficult. At first, I was getting ridiculed by my friends when I started posting content on TikTok, but guys, this is one of the best ways that anyone can start making money online in 2021. So what I want to share with you guys is first is discovering your niche. But before we go into this video, if you have not yet, smash that thumbs up button or give me a subscription yet. It would mean a lot because there's a lot of different ways I want to share with you guys on how to make money using TikTok. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is going out there and discovering a niche. What do you want to create content about? For me, I started creating content around finance, business, entrepreneurship, things that I was passionate about. Like I said earlier, discover your passion, start creating content around your passion, and you can make a full-time income. You can make $20, $30, $50, $100,000 and even more if you create a brand on TikTok. Understand it's true, and more importantly, this is how you can get going. So secondly, what I want to show you guys is the different ways that you can actually make money on TikTok. Now, I remember when I made my first post that asked someone, WorldStar actually reached out to me and said, hey Peter, can we use this video and we'll pay you $100. That's when the light bulb kind of switched in my head. That's the moment I realized, hey, this is not creating content. I'm creating a business. I'm creating a personal brand, and I am making money on this platform. How exciting. And you can do this as well. So I had this little quick light bulb moment, and now creators are kind of catching on and realizing they can make a lot of money on TikTok. So there are 3 different ways that you can actually start making money on TikTok. Now, as you guys can see right now, once you start building a following, once you start getting some, I guess, establishment or some type of personal brand on TikTok, brands every day reach out to me and say, hey, Peter, can you post us a video? Here's the criteria. Everyday brands reach out once you start having leverage on TikTok, and this leverage comes in the shape of followers. So building followers around your passions allow brands to reach out to you. They're going to ask you for paid sponsorship videos. So the first way that I started to make pretty good amount of money, $800, $600, $1,500 per post on TikTok, was having brands reach out to me, asking me to sponsor, asking me to talk about this thing, asking me to basically bring awareness to whatever their product is, whatever their company is, whatever their cryptocurrency is. And if I felt like I connected with this brand, I personally did not go out there and do every brand that reached out to me. I only posted videos based on the brands that I really enjoy. I would go out there, post, create videos. I would not even have to post them on my personal TikTok, or sometimes I would post them directly on my TikTok account, and then I would get compensated. So what I want to show you guys is understand that you have to have some type of price range. For me, I had no clue what I was charging at first, $300, $200, and then I realized brands are going to pay me $800, $900, and even $2,000 I made on certain posts. So understand that there's no amount of money that you can make. Once you have more followers, once you have more attention, the more money that you can charge. So the first thing, guys, is going out there and getting brand sponsorships, paying me per post, anywhere from $300 to $3,000 is what I was making per post. Absolutely insane as a small TikTok creator. Now, the second way is through direct sponsorships. This is a little different than getting paid directly per post. This is actually cold emailing. This is actually getting reached out directly by big brands, asking them to create content for a commercial. They're asking you to create content for their small TikTok account. Not having to post anything on your personal brand, but being a face of another brand. As a TikTok creator, once you start getting established, once you start making a name for yourself, brands will reach out to you and get you to post content for their personal page. So in that case, I was getting reached out. Brands were connecting with me, and I was getting paid to post on their social media as well, which allows me to have free advertisement for my brand, as well as I'm getting compensated. But more importantly, I am building a face, a name for this company, which allowed me to make money as well. And then lastly, guys, the third way that brought in a little extra source of revenue, guys. So we have all these different ways is affiliate and building a personal brand on other platforms. TikTok was a great platform to get great organic reach, which means that you can get a lot of people to discover you without paying any money. And then secondly, you can use this audience to drive them to YouTube. You can use this audience to drive to, Instagram. You can use this audience to go to an affiliate link that allow you to buy certain products on Amazon, and then you can make commission on this. So there are different ways that you can build a brand. There are different ways that you can monetize this brand, and there are different ways that you can actually get compensated for your hard work posting on TikTok. So guys, that's kind of how I structured it. Mainly with number one, how I made money was basically just posting videos for brands. Secondly, was brands were reaching out to me to actually post content for their page. And third was driving traffic to links, driving traffic to other personal sources, and making money off that. It's absolutely insane that you can post video, make money, and absolutely change your life all because of TikTok. Now, the most important part of this video is sharing with you how can you do this step by step. Let's say you have 0 followers. Peter, what can I do to start making money on TikTok? How can I start changing my life, and how can I go out there and start making money on this platform if you are doing it as well? I wish I knew this earlier. I wish I kind of learn these tips and tricks, but here, this is what the point of this video is for. So number one is post as much content ASAP, as soon as possible. 3, 4, 5 times a day will allow you to start building a follower. Talk about what you like. Talk about what is really passionate for you, because at the end of the day, this can turn into a business, and then you want to be building an audience about the things that you really enjoy. So discover your niche, post content about things that you like, and be unique. Being unique allows you to be discovered in a very saturated market. Be yourself, go out there and create content around the things that you like, and people will understand and actually flow to you because of your authenticity, and you're going to start building a following slowly, all because you're posting content that you enjoy and posting consistently. Secondly is you have to begin marketing yourself. Go out there, reach out to brands. If you want to really make money on TikTok, market yourself, cold email, text, go out there and connect with people on LinkedIn. Understand that you have to post content and drive traffic to your brand. If you want to make more money, there are thousands, literally thousands of brands out there that are looking for content creators. The way of the internet, the way that brands are going to be marketing themselves is through content affiliation and content influencer marketing. Go out there and be that guy or girl of the face of the brand. Go out there and be the flow. Go out there and be the Shaq of all these brands, and you can do it if you start building a brand. So secondly is just go out there and market yourself, and third is understand that you have to start setting rates. You have to start monetizing your following, and you have to be patient around what you want to do. The most important part is to go out there and build the following. One thing that I really regret is that I was taking too much money up front, which kind of diluted my brand. So be patient, only connect and make money with brands that you really enjoy, and make sure you are serving your audience. Your audience comes first. Your audience allows you to make money. Go out there and just build a real audience. Don't pay for followers. Go out there, connect with your followers. Go out there and work and build a real name for yourself. And then on the back end, if you can monetize it, great. But don't just create a TikTok account just to make money. Don't just create a YouTube channel just to make money. Build real audiences, connect with real people, and be a real person, and watch these opportunities flow into your life. So guys, it has been absolutely crazy this year. I remember when I first started my TikTok channel, no one was like, dude, why are you doing it? Everyone was like, you're posting on TikTok. This is so sad. But then I turned this small little TikTok account with over 300,000 followers into a small business, a small side hustle that has generated an insane amount of money I never even fathomed. So in this board here, guys, I had the goal to $100,000, and actually half of my income this year so far has been through TikTok. Absolutely insane. Apart from my other businesses that I share on this YouTube channel, $50,000 in 1 year, on TikTok. Absolutely insane. As a small TikTok creator, you can do this yourself. So write your goals down. Create a lot of content, market yourself, and start posting now, and watch your life begin to change. It is only going to get bigger than this. This is the beginning of something incredible. The whole influencer marketing scene is going to continue to blow up. So if you love something, you like creating content, this is the great little strategy. This is a great little note to you to go out there and start posting videos, and you can start changing your life and making a lot of extra money. So that's my journey on how I made a little over $50,000 in 1 year on TikTok. If you guys need any help, if you need any more personal strategy, don't be afraid to hit me up on Instagram. I just want to help provide as much value as possible. And if there's anything that I can do for you guys, please hit me up. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you leave a comment below. And I just want to know that you guys can always reach out to me. You can always connect with me. I just want to help you. I was that little boy. I was that guy that I just wanted to figure out what my life was. I wanted to figure out what I really enjoyed. I realized that business was my passion. I didn't know how to make money. I saw all these people doing it on YouTube, and I told myself, enough is enough. I want to do this for myself. How can I finally do it? They're making money on YouTube. They're making money on TikTok. They're building a brand for themselves. Why not me? Why not me? So think to yourself, why not you? Why can't you be the next creator making $50,000, $100,000 a year? Why can't you be the next YouTube star making, $100,000, $600,000 a year? Why can't you be the person that changes your life, that changes your family tree? Content is the answer. Your phone here, this smartphone can absolutely change your life. Understand, be strategic, and watch your life begin to change. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have the best weekend ever, the week, whatever it is. Take care, and I'll see you. Cheers. Peace.